Hello students, let's read this question. Find the smallest number by which each of the following numbers must be multiplied to obtain a perfect cube. So let's start the solution. We have number 243. Let's take the LCM of 243. This will be divided by 3. We get 81. Again divide by 3. We get 27. Again divide by 3. We get 9. Again divide by 3. We get 3. Again divide by 3. We get 1. Now we have the factors of 243 as 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Here this is making one triplet, but this has missing 3. That means for making it perfect square, we have to multiply this number by 3, which is the smallest number possible. So move on to the second one, which is 256. Now taking LCM of 256, we get, dividing it by 2, we get 128. Again dividing by 2, we get 64. Again dividing by 2, we get 32. Again dividing by 2, we get 16. Again dividing by 2, we get 8. Again dividing by 2, we get 4. Again dividing by 2, we get 2. Again dividing by 2, we get 1. So the factors of 256 comes out to be 8 times 2. So we can make the group like this. Here we can easily see that this is one triplet, this is one triplet, but this is missing. So that's why the smallest number that we can multiply this to make it perfect cube is 2. Now move on to the third one, which is 72. So taking the LCM of 72, by dividing it by 2, we get 36. Again dividing by 2, we get 18. Again dividing by 2, we get 9. Again dividing by 3, we get 3. Again dividing by 3, we get 1. So factors of 72 will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. As we can see that we have one triplet of 2, but we don't have triplet of 3. So the smallest number by which when we multiply that by 72, it will become perfect cube is 3. Move on to the fourth, which is 675. So taking the LCM of 675, we can divide it by 3, we get 225. Again dividing by 3, we get 75. Again dividing by 3, we get 25. Again dividing by 5, we get 5. Now dividing by 5, we get 1. So the factors of 675 is 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. As we can see, we have triplet of 3, but we don't have triplet of 5. So the smallest number that can be multiplied to 675 to make it perfect cube is 5. Move on to the fifth one, that is 100. So now taking the LCM of 100, we can divide it by 2, we get 50. Again dividing by 2, we get 25. Now dividing by 5, we get 5. Now dividing by 5, we get 1. So the factors of 100 are 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. Here we can see that we don't have triplet of any of 2 and 5. So we can write it like this: 2 into 2 into bracket 1 triplet multiplied by 5 into 5 into bracket another triplet. So in this place we have to multiply 2 by we have to multiply it by 2, and we have to multiply this side by 5, so that the 100 will become perfect cube. So the minimum number that we need to multiply is 2 into 5, that is 10. So we have found out the smallest number by which each of the following number multiplied to obtain a perfect cube. So hope you understand it well. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.